Hey, so I'm going to show you a way that you can resurface your Kindle highlights as a daily reflection so that things aren't just highlighted and lost and never looked at, but you'll actually get some use out of things that you've read in the past. Today we'll do that with Unearthed, which is this free and open source app which grabs your Kindle highlights and does other things, but today I'll just show you this daily reflection functionality. It's early days for Unearthed, but you can already get your daily reflection into Supernotes and Capacities. Also, Obsidian, you can do this too, but I already showed you that in my first video. So once you've logged in and you've synced your Kindle with Unearthed, you can check out my other video for that if you want to know how to do that. You will just need to go to the settings cog up here. This will look a little bit different because this is the premium version, but it works with the free one as well. Go to Supernotes. I'll show you this one first. It says here to generate an API token in Supernotes and paste it. So let's go to Supernotes. And go to settings, which is down here at the bottom. Settings, API integration, manage API keys, and you'll have to stick in your password again. Here we go. So I have this one here, but let's just delete that. Generate a new key and copy. Then you come back over to Unearthed and paste it in. Make sure you press save. And that's it. Now, every day your daily reflection here, so this is what it looks like in Unearthed, that'll get sent to Supernotes and it'll appear on today. It'll appear on the day that it is as a card. And the process is pretty much exactly the same for Capacities. You just need to go into Capacities. I should say as well that Capacities doesn't allow you to do this for free. So you'd have to have the, what do they call it? Pro version to do this, but you just put in the name here, whatever you want to call it, click generate token, copy it and stick it into Capacities into here and press save. And yeah, that's it. And then the same thing will happen. So in Capacities, go to calendar and you can click on today and it'll appear appended to the daily note. Yeah, so anyway, I hope that helps. See ya.